Hey, YouTube fam! Ever found yourself daydreaming about catching your crush's eye? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to make them take notice. And no, it doesn't involve summoning love potions or hiring a skywriter. Stick around, because we've got some seriously fun and effective tips coming your way. But before we spill the secrets, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have in store for you. Now, let's jump into the magical world of crush catching. Step 1. Confidence boost. Alright, first things first, confidence is your superpower. Picture this. You walk into a room, shoulders back, head held high, and a smile that says, "I'm fabulous." Confidence is magnetic, folks. If you believe you're worth noticing, others will too. Fun fact. Did you know that studies show people find confidence more attractive than looks alone? Yep. Forget the nerves and embrace your awesome self. Step 2. The power of humor. Now, let's sprinkle in some humor, shall we? Laughter is the quickest way to someone's heart. Share a joke, a funny story, or even a hilarious meme. It's like a secret weapon that disarms tension and makes you instantly more approachable. Funny anecdote. I once tried telling a joke to impress my crush, and it turned into a laughing fit. Little did I know, laughter was the best icebreaker. So, don't be afraid to let your inner comedian shine. Step 3. Find common ground. Next up, find common interests. Whether it's a love for bad reality TV, an obsession with avocado toast, or a shared passion for rescuing stray cats, bonding over common ground creates a connection that's hard to ignore. Interesting fact. Studies show that people are more likely to be attracted to those with similar interests. It's like a love potion, but without the questionable side effects. Step 4. The art of the compliment. Time to unleash the art of the compliment. Complimenting your crush is like sprinkling a little magic dust on the conversation. Be genuine and specific, it shows you've been paying attention. Compliment example. Something as simple as, "Your smile can light up the whole room," can leave a lasting impression. And who doesn't love a good ego boost? Conclusion. So there you have it, our foolproof guide to catching your crush's attention. Remember, confidence, humor, shared interests, and a sprinkle of compliments, you've got the winning recipe. If you enjoyed these tips, give us a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments your go-to moves for catching someone's eye. Stay fabulous, stay fearless, and until next time, keep crushing it.